As you can see now, I get this background on my keyboard. Now go to Play Store and install this application called Gboard. So after you install the application, it will automatically add it to your keyboard. So now close your Play Store and go to somewhere where you can access your keyboard. So as you can see, if you come to this section, all you have to do without tapping in anything in this section, tap on this settings icon. So tap on this theme, tap on this plus button. Now it will allow you to select an image from your phone and add it to your keyboard. So for me, I'll go with this image. After you select the image, you can resize the image using your hands. So tap on this next button. So now you can increase the opacity of the image, as you can see now. So after you finish setting up your image, tap on this done button. So now all you have to do, tap on this apply button. So now it applied the image to your keyboard. Now go back to your keyboard now. As you can see now, I get this background on my keyboard. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.